DeliverNow is a browser-based, cross-platform solution that automates document distribution across your organization. After installing and setting it up, DeliverNow finds, converts, and delivers business reports, forms, spool files, documents, and files from computers running on virtually any operating system. Here's the concept behind DeliverNow. Specify the documents, reports, or files that you need distributed. If your documents are spool files or text files that you need to convert, select the file format you want to convert them to, and then decide where to distribute the documents. That's all there is to it. Some of the benefits you can see from DeliverNow include going paperless, improving workflow at your organization, and even merging data in spool files or text files with custom form templates. This video will take you on a quick tour of the interface and show you some of the specifics of how you can distribute documents at your organization with DeliverNow. In a browser, type the IP address of the DeliverNow server. After connecting to DeliverNow, the first thing that displays is your server's hostname and IP address. You'll need this information for when you license DeliverNow. If you ever need quick access to the server information, just click the words DeliverNow up here in the left-hand corner. DeliverNow's interface is laid out with a series of tabs. To set up DeliverNow, you work through the tabs from left to right. The first tab is Settings. Settings is where you go to license and configure DeliverNow. After you've discussed your document distribution needs with your RJS software sales representative, licensing DeliverNow is little more than copying and pasting. Just click Licenses, click Add, then copy and paste the license key you receive in an email from RJS software. Click Save and the component is licensed. Depending on your document distribution needs, you might enter more than one license key. Once you've licensed DeliverNow, you can configure it. The DeliverNow user guide, which you can get to by clicking Help, has detailed configuration instructions. But the idea is you only need to configure the parts of DeliverNow that apply to you. Next, you set up DeliverNow to find the exact documents you need to distribute. You do that with Systems, Sources, and Filters. Under Systems, enter the IP address or hostname of the computer that holds the documents. Then type a description or name of the system that's meaningful to you. Then choose whether the system runs on IBM i or on Microsoft Windows, Linux, or AIX. Under Sources, you set up the specific output queue or directory that the documents are in. First, give the source a description meaningful to you. Then choose the system. Next, choose a service. Here I'll choose the default. But the thing to know is that you can set up and assign more than one service for your high volume and high priority output queues and directories. The after processing options tell DeliverNow what to do with documents after they have been successfully distributed. And finally, enter the specific output queue or directory the documents are in. If you need DeliverNow to monitor more than one output queue or directory, you can do that. Just set up as many sources as you need monitored. Under Filters, you specify the exact documents you need to distribute from all the documents in the source. First, give the filter a description that's meaningful to you. Then choose whether this filter is for an output queue or a directory. And then enter the file name or attributes of the documents you need distributed. For example, typing invoice in spool and Acme in job name means that DeliverNow will only distribute spool files in the source that have spool file name invoice and job name Acme. The last tab is Destinations. Under Destinations, you set up whether to convert the documents and where to distribute them. First, give the destination a description meaningful to you. Then choose the source that the documents are in. Next, choose the filter that specifies the exact documents. After you've chosen the source and filter, you can, if you need to, convert documents that are spool files or text files. And after that, you set up where to distribute the documents. You can distribute them to any of the places you've licensed. Of course, at your company, you might have many different needs, like having documents in one output queue or directory that need to get emailed, and other documents in another output queue or directory that need to get checked into a document management system, and so on. Again, with DeliverNow, you can do that. Just set up as many destinations as you need. Those are the basics of how to set up DeliverNow. Once your setup is finished, you just start the Windows service, which runs in the background of the DeliverNow server. Then, every 60 seconds, it monitors the source or sources you set up for documents to distribute. So, after installation and setup, DeliverNow can find all of your important reports, files, and documents on computers running on almost any operating system, convert spool files or text files to virtually any file format, and deliver the documents wherever you need them to go.